Hello everyone, in today's recipe I'm gonna show you how to make Nigerian meat pie at home. Step 1. The dough. I'm going to crack an egg. I'm going to add a flavor that is vanilla extract. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon. I'm going to give this a quick mix to combine my vanilla extract with my egg. This is the outcome. Then you can step this aside. I'll be using all-purpose flour. I'll start by adding 1 cup, then I'm gonna sieve it. In total, I'll be using 5 cups of all-purpose flour. I'll be adding a baking powder. I'm using 1 teaspoon as well. All these ingredients will be in the description below. I'm going to add nutmeg, 1 teaspoon. I'll likely give it a gentle mix. I'll be using unsalted butter. Using my hand to mix the butter with the flour. I will add my mixed egg into my flour. Gently use my hand to work it. I'll be adding a liquid, so I'll be using milk as my liquid, so I'll add milk. You can as well use water. I'll quickly use my hand to mix this. So this is the outcome after working my dough. Please do not overwork your dough. So this is the texture of the dough. Wrap the dough with a clean film. Leave the dough in the refrigerator for an hour. Step 2. The filling. Heat up a vegetable oil. Add the chopped onions. Cook for about 1 minute. Then add a ground beef. Stir the ground beef until it loses its pink color. So you can cook up to 5 minutes until everything changes to brown, until it loses the pink color of the ground beef. Add some pinch of salt and remember to stir the ground beef with the salt. Add beef seasoning. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika, black pepper. Then stir to combine your ingredients with your beef. Add your chopped vegetables like cabbage. Add your chopped cabbage. Then add your chopped carrots. Mix your vegetables with your beef. That is, stir your beef with your vegetables. Please remember to like this video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to encourage my YouTube channel. Then I'm going to make a mixer. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch into water to get the thickness. I'm using 2 teaspoons. This is how it looks. Then we'll go ahead and add it to our beef, our filling. So I'm going to add it as the thickener. Then I'll cook this. But before cooking it, I'm going to give it a stir to see how it looks. So this is how it looks after stirring. Then I'm going to cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute, this is how it looks. Then I'll allow this to cool. Then I'm going to crack an egg in a bowl. We'll be using this in step 3. Step 3. Assembly. I'm going to cut my dough into 2 equal half. Then I'm going to add a flour on the surface just in the video. Then I'm going to roll my dough and start cutting into the shape I want my meat pie. You can use a meat pie cutter to do this shape. I'll gently brush my dough with the egg. Then I'll add mashed potato and my filling, just as I'm doing in the video. But if you don't have a meat pie cutter, you can as well use a fork after adding your mashed potato and your beef. So this is the filling of my pie, and you can do your meat pie in any shape you want. So after sealing it, the egg makes it more easy to see. Then you just use your fork to close the edges, just the way I'm doing in the video. You can trim the edges as well to get that perfect shape. So this is the outcome until you finish doing all your filling and your dough. So I'll just brush the surface of the pie, the meat pie, then transfer it into the oven. Please remember to drop down a comment in the comment section if you have any question regarding this meat pie recipe, and please do not forget to share this recipe as well. So this is the outcome after baking it in the oven for 35 minutes. Please feel free to let me know what you think about this meat pie recipe on how to make the perfect meat pie. Hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching.